So 7C section, we are to move one step ahead in the QBasic programming. Okay, today our topic is constants. Okay, now what are constants? But a constant means a value which does not change during the execution of the program, right? A value which doesn't change during the execution of the program is known as constant. Like for example, I am giving the value 56. Then I am giving value 78, 90.5, right? Clear? Then I am giving value, I'm writing A in double quotes. Okay. I am writing one name enclosed in double quotes. All these are different type of constants. All these are different type of constants. This is integer constant. Bete, by integer we mean whole numbers, numbers without fraction. Okay. It can be any number, but without decimal. Any number, 45, 56, 76, 120, 3400, any value, but non-decimal value. Then we have real constants, what you called floating numbers. In real constants, we always have the value of decimal type, 45.7, 22.7, 129.56, fractional values जिसे आप कहते हैं, right? Then we have single character constant. Bete, what are single character constant? Single character constants means any letter, any single letter enclosed in double quotes. Double quotes में x लिखा, okay, u in double quotes, a in double quotes, g in double quotes. Single character enclosed in double quotes is known as single character constant. Am I clear up till here? Then comes string constant. Then comes string constant. What is string constant? Beta, string means collection of characters. हमारा नाम, किसी सिटी का नाम, किसी स्टेट का नाम, किसी डिश का नाम, किसी आइटम का नाम, टेबल, चेयर, एल्मिरा, मुंबई, कोलकाता, राइट? पूरंजय, कनव सहनी, भव्या, प्रेरणा. Okay, our name does not contain only one letter. For example, Kanav name is there. Kanav name does not contain only one character. It is collection of characters. When we have collection of characters, that is called string. And string in QBasic programming is always enclosed in double quotes. any string. You are taking the name of city, name of state, any dish names. Okay, this is string. So there are four type of constants: integer constant, real time constant, and single character constant, and string constant. This was about constants. Now the concept is of variables. But a variable means the location in the memory, and that location has a name. Okay, a location in the memory that has a name and where some value is stored. I give one very live example to you and you will get to know what I mean by variable. आपकी कॉलोनी में जहां आपका घर है, suppose you live in Dilbag Nagar, okay? In Dilbag Nagar colony, your house has a particular address, right? For example, भव्या का घर है, भव्या के घर का एड्रेस है 129 दिलबाग नगर. मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं, आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल हियर. So 129 is the location, is the address of the house located in Dilbag Nagar area. Now there is not only one house in Dilbag Nagar, there will be multiple houses. Every house has a unique address. No two houses can have the same number. Suppose there are 5 houses and 5 houses are having the same number. If any post comes, if any courier comes, it will be so confusion for the courier person. The delivery boy who will bring the courier, it is difficult for that person to which house he will deliver the courier. There are 5 houses having same number. Similarly, in memory of computer, there are different locations and each location has a separate name. Each location is recognized by a name. That name is nothing but a variable, and variable always have a value. A equal to 10. This is what I explained you yesterday. Value 10 has been assigned to variable A. Sum equal to 100. Value 100 being assigned to some variable. Okay? Am I clear? Got it? Now variable are of two types. Variable are of two types. One is numeric variable. In numeric variable, we have further types: integer variable, float, or decimal variable. For example, I say x equal to 10. Is 10 decimal number or non-decimal number? Non-decimal number. So it is integer variable. I told you na, integer means number without fractions. Up till here, if I am clear, raise your thumb. Raising of thumb will also tell me how many are attending the lecture. Bani, please keep a record of thumb raised. Okay, Ayushi, Daksh, Bhavesh, no response is coming from your side. Okay, now in mathematics, you might have done area of circle, pi r square. Are you familiar with the pi value? Okay. 3.14. It is the fixed value of a variable known as pi. In the senior classes, when you will go, you will learn this. This is float variable. Like I say, y equal to 3.14. So y is a float variable. Second category of variable is string variable. Now, string variable is used to hold a string. And how we declare the string variable? Suppose X $. After declaring the string variable name, we put a dollar symbol. Dollar symbol represents that we have declared the string variable. X $ equal to Mumbai. Whenever you initialize string variable, the value is always enclosed in double quotes. This is variable. This is the value of the variable. Mumbai in double quotes is the value of X variable, and X variable is of type string. How do you know it is of type string? By looking at the dollar sign. Up till here, is it okay? Now, let us proceed further. बेटा जो हमारी QBasic की स्क्रीन है, it is made up of pixels. What is pixel? One pixel means one dot. One pixel means one dot. And there are so many pixels on the screen. Okay, hundreds and thousands of pixels are there. The pixels, they are scattered horizontally as well as vertically. The number of pixels in per unit area, it is known as resolution. It is known as resolution of the screen. You people many times have tried to change the resolution of your computer screen. How many of you have changed? आप में से काफी बच्चों ने कई बार कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन की रेजोल्यूशन को चेंज किया होगा. वो उसका एकदम बिगर व्यू आ जाता है. Okay, so number of pixels horizontally and vertically, they determine the resolution of the screen. Right? Clear? So QBasic window provides us very greater advantage to create graphics. We can create graphics using the QBasic programming window. Okay, so we have to set the screen resolution as per our convenience. And to set the screen resolution, QBasic programming provides us screen mode. Screen modes are provided to us. And every screen mode supports some colors. If you have opened the book in front of you, just go through the table drawn on page 47. There you will notice the different screen modes what is the resolution of each mode, and how many colors are supported by each screen mode. By default, the screen mode is 0. By default, the mode of the screen is 0. When you are in the 0 screen mode, 7th class, remember this point, you cannot create graphics. Graphics cannot be created in the 0 screen mode. You have to change the screen mode if you want to create the graphics. Now there are two types of screen resolutions: medium and high resolution. What is medium resolution? In medium resolution, your screen is divided into 320 by 200 pixels. This is the resolution of the screen in the medium mode. 320 by 200. Okay? Am I clear? Am I totally clear? Then when we come in the higher resolution, the resolution changes to 640 into 200. This is the resolution of high screen resolution. Okay? Am I clear? So when we are having the medium screen resolution, we are having screen 1. Screen 1 signifies medium resolution. And what is the dimensions of medium resolution? 320 by 200 pixels. But when we are in the higher resolution, we are in the screen 2. Okay, how many of you have gone to PVR when there was no lockdown? How many of you have visited PVR? Have you ever noticed while booking the ticket, they give you ticket and screen is mentioned on that? Screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. Right? Similarly, here in the QBasic, you can set the screen. Accordingly, you can get to know how many colors are supported by the screen 1, how many supported by screen 2, how many supported by screen 7. Okay? Am I clear? So what is the screen mode of medium resolution? Screen 1. What is the screen mode for high resolution? Screen 2. Right? Then total colors that can be supported are 16. 16 colors are supported. Which screen resolution support the 16 colors? Screen 7, screen 8, screen 9. They support the 16 colors. And how many colors are supported by screen 1? 4 colors. How many colors supported by screen 2? 2 colors. Right? Suppose I write here screen 2 color 5. I print message welcome to QBasic. I print the message welcome to QBasic. Okay? Am I clear? Now run this code and let us see the output. See, now I give the background color. When I give first value in the color command, that is the foreground color. Now I give the second command, that is the background color. See, have you noticed? बेटे कलर मोड दिखा आपको? See the color of the text, welcome to QBasic, and see the color of the background. See the color of the background. Okay, am I clear? Now if I say screen 7, screen 7 support all the colors. Screen 7 supports all the colors, right? See, number 5 is magenta color and number 1 is blue color. Color command में जो पहली फिगर है, that is foreground color. बेटे foreground color means the color of the text. जैसे welcome to QBasic magenta color में आ रहा है ना, तो this is the foreground color. Then there is background color, the color which you see in the background of the window. Blue color is coming in the background, that is the background color. So there is color command by which you can specify the color. First value always is the foreground color, second value is the background color. Come to page 48 and you will notice a table having color numbers. Like 0 is for black color, 1 is for blue color, 2 is for green. Okay, am I clear? Like suppose I give here 15. What is 15? The background color and is white color. See, 5 is the magenta and 15 is the background color, that is white. So how can you give the colors in the QBasic? By giving the color command. Okay, and how we give the color command? Color, first value for the foreground color, second value for the background color. Okay, I have a question. Let it be competency based question. Let me see who is attentive in the lecture. I want to specify red color for the text and light blue color for the background. What values I will give? Red color for the text and light blue color I want to give for the background. Yes, Puranjay.
Sir, 4 and 9.
4 and 9. 4 and 9. See, light blue and red color for the text. Am I clear? Okay, I want to give brown color for the text and light red color for the background. Yes, Suhana. Suhana, unmute
Sir,
yourself.
6 and 12.
6 and 12. 6, 12. See, welcome to QBasic is coming in brown color and the background color is light red. Have you noticed? I hope the color command is clear to everyone. Any doubt in the color command? Any doubt in the screen resolution? constant variables. Okay. Now, suppose you want to draw a line. You want to draw a line in QBasic. In order to draw a straight line, the command used in QBasic is line command. The line statement in QBasic is used to draw a straight line in the QBasic window. Right? Now, when you draw a line, think mathematically. One point at one end, one point at the other end, and you join the 2 points. In maths, you might have done that chapter of line numbers. Put a point at one side, then put a point at the other side and join them. That will create a line. So every line has 2 points, one in the front, one in the end. And how a point is created? जैसे मैंने ये point लगाया. How a point is created? By having coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. X is horizontal, y is vertical. एक horizontal coordinate बना, एक vertical बना. So x and y are the coordinates. Have you done graph in maths? Bar chart, histogram and all that? There you have seen zero origin. You draw the x-axis, you draw the y-axis. Have you done that in maths, bete? Similar picture is here. We have coordinates to draw the line. Okay. So what is the journal formula to draw the line? Line statement x1 comma y1 minus x2 comma y2 and give the color of the line, whatever color of the line you want to give. Right? Now suppose I want to draw a line, right? So I'm giving the command 5 comma 20 minus 100 comma 20, and I am giving the color name 5. See, a line has been drawn. I change the background color so that it is visible to all. See, the line has been drawn. Then if I say 6 comma 30 and 200 comma 30. 200 comma 30. See, clear? How to draw the line? Okay, I have few questions now. So all those who were total attentive will answer the question, but you have to come on the video to answer the question. First raise your thumb, then on your video, and then you will give the answer. Okay, in which screen mode we cannot create graphics? In which screen mode we cannot create graphics? Yes, Rishita, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir, 0.
Zero screen mode, very right. Okay, what is the full form of basic? What is the full form of basic? Yes, Bani, unmute yourself, Bani. Bani, unmute yourself, bete.
Yes, sir.
A full form
Sir,
of
I'm not able to note down.
beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the resolution for medium screen? Dash by dash. Dash by dash signifies medium screen resolution. Yes, Puran. Puran, some noise was coming. I think some, please avoid that noise, okay? Then you can unmute.
Sir, 320 and 200.
Very right, Puran. Very right. Good. 320 by 200. Excellent. Okay, Nitya, what is the resolution for high screen? Dash by dash. अनम्यूट बेटे, शाबाश, कोशिश करो. अगर मीडियम 320 है, व्हाट इज द डबल ऑफ 320? 320 plus 320, how much, Nitya? Yes, शाबाश. 640 बेटे. 640 by 200 is the resolution of the high screen. Okay.
What is the form of basic?
Quick basic. Quick basic. Okay. Mishti, question for you. Which screen resolution supports 16 colors? Screen 0, screen 1, screen 7. Which option? Unmute yourself, Mishti. Yes, bete, unmute yourself, बच्चे. शाबाश, very good. बोलो. बेटे unmute करो खुद को, मिष्टी. Am I audible to you? I think some technical problem is coming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which screen resolution supports 16 colors? Screen 0, screen 1 or screen 7?
Sir, none, because screen color, sir, there is a screen 8 and screen 9 that supports 16 number of color.
Okay. What about screen 7?
Sir, yes, screen 7 also.
So
Sorry, sir.
my question is MCQ based, bete. Screen 7 is the correct option, बच्चे. ठीक है?
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay, Bhavesh, this is question for you, beta. Unmute yourself, Bhavesh.
Yes, sir.
I have color command. I am giving value 4 and 15. 4 is which color? 15 is which color? I mean, which color is foreground color? Which is background color?
Sir, 4 is red.
4 is foreground color. The second value is the background color. No doubt 4 represents red. I am asking which number represents foreground color. The first number that you pass is the foreground color. The second value that you pass is the background color. ठीक है भवेश? Clear हो गया बेटा?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very nice.
Sir, मैंने